Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, November 22nd. We are expecting light snow tonight into Wednesday across most of the region. So that will be the main thing we're going to be talking about. We do have a freezing fog advisory for the Bear Lake Valley this morning. Some low visibilities in that region under 1 mile, and that will be in effect through the morning hours. And then we do have a wave, Pacific wave approaching from the west. We do expect light snow tonight into midnight. So amounts 1 to 3 inches in the mountains, heaviest probably in the eastern mountains, less than an inch expected in the Snake River Plain. Only minor travel impacts are expected, and most of the snow will fall after midnight. And dry conditions are expected for Thanksgiving Day. Looking at the satellite imagery, you can see this little blue area in the southeast corner. That's where we are getting some dense fog over the Bear Lake region. Right now, nothing more than some high clouds filtering through Idaho. Weather risk outlook, again, light snow pretty much everywhere today. It will mainly be in the overnight period. It's at least some minor impacts in the eastern highlands where we are expecting the most snow to fall. And then snow continuing Wednesday morning in the eastern highlands, Snake River Plain, some of the southern highlands as well. And then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday look to be dry. So again, we are focusing on the snow. Again, light amounts expected. But again, it's been quite a while since we've had any snowfall. High temperatures today, generally 30s into the low 40s. Snowfall amounts forecast through Wednesday. You can see generally some 1 to 3 inch amounts up the Sawtooth area, some of the higher mountains in the Wood River region. And again, the highest amounts 1 to 3 inches, Island Park down towards Driggs and Swan Valley, some of the Idaho Wasatch, some higher amounts as well. But overall, mountain amounts 1 to 3 inches, generally under an inch in the Snake River Plain and the Mountain Valley. So again, not a big event, but it has been quite a while since we've had snowfall. And again, chances of getting at least measurable amounts of 1/10 of an inch or greater. You can see generally 30 to 50% up the Snake River Plain. And again, close to 100% chance in the mountains for at least getting 1/10 of an inch. And chances of more than an inch, again, the highest amounts, over 70% in the Island Park region. Some generally 30 to 50% chances of over an inch across the eastern highlands, the Sawtooth Mountains. So again, not a big event, but it will be the first snow we've seen in quite a while. Low temperatures Wednesday morning are going to be much milder than they have been with expected cloud cover. Again, the Snake River Plain will be in the 20s for overnight lows, generally teens, most other areas. High temperatures Wednesday, again, very similar, 20s in the mountain, 20s and 30s in the mountains, 30s in the Snake River Plain. And it will be cool on Thanksgiving, highs in the generally 20s and 30s once again. 6 to 10 day outlook. Again, better chance of below normal temperatures across Idaho and also above normal precipitation. So we could see some snowy conditions starting late weekend, Sunday into next week. We could be seeing some snowfall across Idaho. So again, the summary, again, low visibilities in the Bear Lake Valley, generally under a mile. Light snow is expected to move in later tonight into Wednesday, 1 to 3 inches in the mountains, mainly the eastern mountains, less than an inch expected in the Snake River Plain. Again, it's been quite a while since we've seen snow, so do expect possibility of some snow-covered roads, especially Wednesday morning, as most of the snow will fall after midnight. Ridge will move in later Wednesday into Thursday, so a very dry Thanksgiving Day is expected. So that will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.